So let's begin with breaking updates coming in. The Union Home Minister Amit Shah is on a two-day visit to Jammu and Kashmir with a focus on security preparedness and welfare initiatives. Now, according to his itinerary accessed by Times Now, the Home Minister is scheduled to visit Forward Border Outpost today and also launch 6 border welfare schemes that are aimed at supporting border communities. My colleague Ankit is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Well, Ankit, it looks like a packed visit for the Union Home Minister. What is on his itinerary? What are the details of what's on the agenda?
Yes, it's a very important visit of the Home Minister in Jammu and Kashmir. He is on a two-day visit to the Jammu. What we are learning is that first Home Minister will go to the border outpost in Hiranagar sector, which is Gurnam post, where the on-ground commanders will brief the HM about the recent about the developments at the border. After that, in Jammu, Lok Bhavan, he will be chairing a high-level security meeting with the security agencies, where LG Manoj Sinha will be also attending this meeting along with LG Manoj Sinha, DG Jammu and Kashmir Police, Chief Secretaries, and the top top officials of the security forces will brief HM regarding the on-ground situation in the Jammu and Kashmir. After that, he will be meeting the martyrs' family in Lok Bhavan at around 3 p.m. This is a schedule for the today of HM, but it's a very crucial meetings which will be underway in Jammu and Kashmir by the HM, whether it is a security review meeting or his visit to the border. It's at around 11:10. He will be visiting the Gurnam post, border outpost, where the IG BSF Frontier will be also there. On-ground commanders will be giving. On-ground commanders will give a brief regarding current situation at the border.
Okay, all right. So high-level security meetings that have been lined up for the Union Home Minister. Ankit, thank you for joining us with those details. We come back to you for those updates through the day. For the